We're back at our Dorchester Polish Triangle 2 project here for an update. Let's see what's happened in the basement since we were last here. The first thing that we did was we put in foundation underpinning. Essentially, the existing foundation wasn't low enough once we dug it out for the additional living space, so we underpinned that, add more concrete, and stabilize the foundation. We added a perimeter drain and a system that is known as B-Dry. Any moisture that might come through the foundation is now going to be captured by this system and brought all the way to a sump pump pumped out of the house, keeping our basement nice and dry. The third thing that we did was we put in some steel components. This gives us our open concept floor plan and allows us to have the structural integrity to support the weight of the floors above. Lastly, we added a foundation slab. So now we have, instead of dirt, we have a nice level concrete floor, and we're ready to build our walls and do the framing for a living space and our storage units.